everyone, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com and welcome back. I have the brand new sparkly winter night curated box from BeadingSchool, which is not part of their subscription. This is an additional type of box that they have put together that's extra special, and it sounds like it's going to be a really great complement to their latest subscription box, which was full of a lot of warmer tones like red, peach, pink, gold. I have not peeked in this one yet, but I have seen one of these sparkly designs that has been made from this box. It's called the Frozen Lake Pendant, and I will flash the picture on the screen. That is a free tutorial that you will get by purchasing this box that you can download and make along with the contents. I'll leave the link directly to this box right down below the video. It'll take you to the page where you can place your order. The cost of the box is 69 euros, and that will convert to whatever currency that you use very simply at their checkout page. And you can also find the list of contents that you'll be receiving. And just note the exact colors and finishes of items that you see here today might vary just slightly from box to box, but overall the gist and the value will be the same. So let's take a look at Sparkly Winter Night. Oh wow, so right away on the top we see a gorgeous Preciosa 18mm cushion cut in Bermuda blue. That definitely sets the tone for what we're about to check out. And as usual, this is a small box, but they pack it so well with all of these different things stacked on top of each other. And I'm sure we're gonna have a lot to take a look at. So I'm gonna get organized. That way we can take a close-up look at everything and check out what's inside the box. I usually start with the focals, but I don't know, I'm just feeling like I wanna start with the findings today. So first up, we have a bag containing a winter night charm with cubic zirconia in the gold-colored metal. They always provide us with the most stunning and intricate little findings and charms. Look at all of those crystals that are in this snowflake shape, which just feels really special. And the gold is a nice lighter gold tone that is smooth and very shiny. All of the crystals in great shape, and there's a look at the back. Next, we have a bag containing the Winter Night ear studs with cubic zirconia, also in the gold tone. Aren't those sweet? They have the snowflake design inside, and overall it's very open. You have those little tiny crystals that are decked out all around this golden ring, along with one that's in the center of that design. And I just have one tipped on its side so you can see what the shape looks like overall. And then next we have this star toggle clasp that's also in that light gold tone. That's adorable with its very simple design, same on the front and the back, smooth and shiny, and will add some fun detail to the clasp area. And then next we'll get into the seed bead selection that go along with our other crystals and beads that we'll take a look at. These of course are an essential for us bead weavers, especially in the Miyuki brand, and we have these classic metallic tones. We have the 15-0 size with the Duracoat galvanized gold on the top. Next is a bag containing the black Labrador full coat, a nice shiny chrome-like silver. And then our slightly larger size 11-0 Miyuki round seed beads in dark bronze. And in addition, they've also provided us with two different types of 11-0 Miyuki Delica beads, and on top is the Duracoat galvanized matte silver. And then we have the deeper blue iris color, which is also very smooth and glossy and provides some blue, purple, green shades that all come together. I know we saw this at the top of the box, so I am dying to take this out and look at it outside of the bag. This is, again, that 18mm Preciosa cushion cut Bermuda blue stone, which I believe is a brand new offering, and it is simply stunning. I'm a huge fan of these Bermuda blue Preciosa crystals anyway, and you can really see those cooler blues and greens sparkling away in this larger 18 millimeter size cushion cut. We usually see these more in the 10 and 12 millimeter more commonly. So this is a very special stone to get in this particular box. I can't wait to do something special with it. And there's just a peek at the back, very bright and shiny, quality coating on the back of that crystal stone. Here's another fun focal. This is the check glass cabochon, a 21 millimeter round size, called the Snowflake Blue Opal Matted with the gold wash. So there's our frosty snowflake with the matte finish. So it does let a little bit of light through, but it is pretty frosty. And then you can see that gold dusting that helps to bring out the detail around the snowflake design that's pressed into the top. And there is a look at the back, just flat, but still has a little bit of that gold dusting on it. In the box, we also have two varieties of 2-hole check glass beads. The first one being the Jet AB Vexolos. And we can see that bright, vibrant AB metallic coating that is showing up on top of the opaque black in the background. A wonderful combination for a starry night sky type of a theme with those cooler colors and just that hint of a golden shine that comes together at the top of that ridge of the Vexolo bead. And these, of course, are a wedge shape with the 2 holes that go through the side, one through that more narrow end and one through the wider side. Up next, we have the classic Miyuki half Tilas in Crystal Labrador with the matte coating as well. And they have the most subtle silvery shimmer that you don't really notice unless you're looking at these up close. They're definitely that lighter, cooler silver shade that will be a great contrast for some of the deeper blue tones. And then next we have 2 bags of fire polish beads in the heavy metal jet dark blue, which I happen to love. What a great deep blue tone that I haven't really seen very often, if at all. And we have the 3 millimeter and the 4 millimeter size in that color combination. It's such a stunning deep blue option, and it's in a metallic also, so it's got a beautiful shine that shows off the facets, with some areas looking a little bit brighter depending on how the light is shining on the beads. And of course, these are the 4 millimeter. The 3 millimeter look just like these, except a little bit smaller. And we'll finish up with the remaining crystals. We have a bag containing the 3 millimeter Preciosa bicones in full aurum. There's our perfectly cut, golden, shimmering Preciosa bicones with that stunning full metallic coating. Next is a bag containing some 9 by 18 millimeter Preciosa pendant drops. These are in crystal AB. Another absolutely stunning combination of shape and faceting. They are cut so perfectly. The area at the top is flat, and you can see where that hole is running through these beads, which would be so gorgeous on earrings where you can see the light would pass through and show off that AB coating with all those different colors. And then next is a set of 4 5 by 10 millimeter navettes. These are in matte crystal with the gold colored settings. And here they are up close, and I have different sides facing up so you can see what they look like. Overall, coming across a sort of frosty white and more clear if you're looking at these from the side. And of course, these settings have the 2 holes already located parallel at the bottom, so they're ready to add to your next project. And we have 3 more bags to go. This one contains some stunning 8mm round cubic zirconia cabochons in the royal blue color. There's one of the 6 of them up close, and they really remind me of the Preciosa Pure chatons that I've shared before that don't have any foil or anything on the back. They just let the light go right through and sparkle beautifully due to all of that precision faceting. And I love some of that lighter blue sparkle and fire that you can see from within that stone. Next is a bag containing some flat back crystals in the dark indigo with AB coating in the 7mm size. And just look at that combination as well. The jet black in the background really helps to set off those AB coatings. These look especially great with those Vexolo beads down below, picking up a lot of those similar shades that are so reflective. And I've got one tipped back there so you can see what the back looks like. And then our final bag, which is holding the 8mm Preciosa chatons. We have a set of 4 of them in dark indigo. That is a color perfect for a night sky theme because it is very dark. In some angles, almost black, but then you get those deep blue areas of sparkle that break up some of that really dark tone. And as usual, they are cut beautifully, and they add a slightly darker blue option than those other crystal chaton stones that didn't have that backing. So that wraps it up for the brand new Sparkly Winter Night curated box from Beading School. Another wonderfully coordinated selection of high quality materials in all sorts of different crystals and findings and other varieties of beads that are perfect to complement each other and to put together directly from what we have here, not just in the provided tutorial, but other things that you might come up with or want to incorporate with some other beads from your stash. It looks like as of right now, they have a few boxes left. So if you'd like to pick one of these boxes up, just follow that link right down below the video. It'll take you right to it. And that way you can pick up one of these dazzling assortments to enjoy when it shows up in your mailbox. Well, it was fun to share another one of their special packages with you all. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Sparkly Winter Night box or anything else you'd like to say. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hopefully in the future I'll be back with something I've made from these goodies. Also, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to share it with your other beading friends. A big thank you to you all for joining me today, and I will see you all next time. And in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy beading.